So now we're ready to choose a scale for our y-axis. We've already done it for the x-axis, and I hope you've already tried to do a scale for the data you have for your y-axis. That's pressure in pascals going up the y-axis. So I start out by looking at my data. I have 5 data points going up my stairs, plus one more, that was my prediction pressure. And I look from the highest to the lowest is only a difference of 39 pascals. Now I go and count the lines on my graph paper. Starting from the x-axis, I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on until I get to the top of my paper, and there's about 45 lines on my graph paper. So I divide 39 pascals by 45 lines, and I get a number that's a little bit less than 1, but I like to always round up to the next highest integer, and so that's 1 pascal for every line on my graph paper. That means that if I started at 0, I'd be 1 pascal, 2 pascals, 3 pascals, 4 pascals. I'd have to have a really big piece of graph paper because I'm plotting 100,745 pascals. But I don't have to start at 0. I can start at 100,740. That's a little bit smaller than my smallest pressure I measured. And then I can go up 100,741, 742, 43, 44, 100,745, and I can keep going on and on and on until I get to the top where I've got 100,785, which is a little bit bigger than my biggest pressure. So I've got all of my data points now fit on this scale. If I start at 100,740 and I have 1 pascal per line, 45 lines gets me up to 100,785, and all of my data falls within those 2 points. So that's a nice scale for my y-axis.